Do you want to be a professional public speaker? Stay with me today because in this video, you will learn at least half of the things that professionals do before they get on the stage and present us with the most wonderful speeches in the world. Hello, it's Katy from Katy D Business Coaching, and today we're gonna cover a topic connected with speaking in public, and actually a couple of things that people use when they evaluate someone else's speech, and the same things are used by the speaker to prepare themselves to better deliver the speech, to deliver the content together with some exciting points. If you would like this video, please don't forget to like it, and if you have more questions about public speaking and building your brand and building your business, leave it in the comment below. This way I will know what you need. What would you like to know more about business and building business in social media, in live, and how to leverage the public speaking into your business, so I will prepare a better content for you here on YouTube. And if you haven't yet subscribed, here is this magical button that you can actually click, and this way you will be subscribed to the channel and receive the information whenever the video will be popping in. Are you excited? Today we're gonna cover three things: clarity of your speech, vocal variety, and eye contact. Okay, maybe not that creepy as this one, but nonetheless, eye contact is super important. But wait. First, let's start with this clarity of your speech. What is it all about? Clarity of your speech is a mind-blowing thing that some people are forgetting. The clarity of your speech is to be clear in the language you use in your speech. To don't overuse certain words that people might not understand because those particular words are super professional to your domain, and you're just amazing and fancy because you know them and they don't. You, as a speaker, want to pass a certain message. So this clarity of your presentation, of your speech, is the first thing you need to think about. Remember to use the language that is clear, that is common, that is tailor-made to your audience. If your audience is a bunch of specialists who knows everything about paint, and your speech is about painting, wow, you're great! You can use all those fancy words. But if you are speaking about management, and you're talking to a bunch of paint specialists, stop using the managerial jargon. Use the words that will help them understand your message, that will help them understand what is it actually that you're teaching and preaching about. The next thing that people who are speaking in public, the pros, are thinking of is how they can use their voice. The vocal variety, sorry for that. The vocal variety is about the tone of the voice, the speed of the voice, and all the modulates and sounds you can make with the amazing machine which is actually in here. And in connection with your breath, in connection with your posture, it changes. Next time you will be preparing your speech, think about, are there any particular parts which are more exciting? And then, if you're more excited about that, you can speak a bit quicker and faster, and maybe a bit more squeaky as well, because that's actually what makes things exciting and super! But if you're actually telling a story which is sad, because you are sharing your deepest pain, you're sharing your deepest struggle, slow down. Lower your voice a bit and use the power of the pause. Take care after every word that you tell them. so they could feel this pain with you. That's what it's all about. About you connecting with your audience, about you showing them the feelings that are inside you. Even if it's, coming back to the paint, selling the paint, the vocal variety in the story about the paintings or paint or whatever other product is important. Imagine this, for example, if I would be starting talking to you like this, would you actually listen to this video? Would you rather close it and stop it and definitely dislike? I got to admit that my poetry teacher was like that, and whichever poet we were reading, he was so monotonic. The last thing I want to talk to you today is eye contact. And it really doesn't matter if you have glasses, no glasses, connecting with your audience for those two amazing pieces of art in your head is super important. Speakers, when they prepare for their gig, for their public speaking project, they think about whether they should focus on one person in the moment or whether they should actually swoop the audience around and get the attention of everybody. Of course, if you're making a presentation for your board and there are like 4 people in the room, it's much easier to keep the eye contact with all of them. Okay, not at the same time, but to come from one to another. Speaking in front of 100, 1,000, 10,000, million, it is more difficult. But if you are having a certain area when you can walk around, that's also a good thing to show everybody that you are acknowledging each and every one of them. Talk a bit on one side of the stage, in the middle of the stage, and talk a bit on the other side of the stage. Today, when I'm recording this video, I'm looking in your eyes. Thank you so much for bearing with me that long. I know plenty of details, plenty of blabbing as well in the meantime, and plenty of vocal variety in between. One day, I will tell you more about speed on videos here on YouTube, because that's a totally different thing. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you would like to have more videos like this, don't forget to write yes, yes, yes in the below comments. If you haven't subscribed, this is the best time to do it. And don't forget, the thing is, with the subscription, you will receive the information about the next video. And next video is pretty much connected with this one. We will cover a couple of more things that professionals look at and prepare before they get out on the stage and perform the amazing speeches for you.